How to create a playlist on Android Music. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create a playlist on your Android device of your music. So creating a playlist on your Android Music app, which is simple. Here's the process how you can do that. First of all, you have to find and open up your default music app here. Just search for the music app here. And once you are here, you have to just go for the My Music. So once you are on your My Music, here you have to browse through your music and select the song that you want to add to your playlist. So you have to just go for your playlist and you have to tap on the create playlist option and just go for the OK option. So once you are on your create playlist, you have to just go for the add a song here. And after that, you can go back and you can go and select your song. Just tap on the three dot. So if you want to make a playlist album, you have to long press on that song and select the song that you want to add to the playlist. And on the bottom, you can see the plus icon. Just go for that. And here you can see the new playlist that I have made. So you have to just tap on that. After that, you can go back and tap on the playlist option and you can find your playlist song here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily create a playlist on your Android music. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.